Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Tri Anita Februandari, NPMF 0G020071, kelas 1B, jurusan D3 Kebidanan, Fakultas Matematika dan Pengetahuan Alam, Universitas Bengkulu. Well, here I will explain again the information I have received from a YouTuber, Nita Fitria, who had preeclampsia during her pregnancy, and I will also give some tips to overcome the occurrence of preeclampsia in pregnancy. She told her experiencing during pregnancy experiencing preeclampsia. In her first pregnancy, at the age of 6 to 7 months, she experienced swollen legs, difficulty standing and walking because she was very painful. Legs will be swollen at the end of pregnancy, but it is still normal if the blood pressure is not high. But she started to feel the blood pressure getting higher in the 7th month with a pressure of the 145 per 18. He has also been given a medication to lower blood pressure from a doctor, namely the drug is dopamine. He also felt that the weight gain was not normal since he was diagnosed with preeclampsia. 1 week could gain approximately 5 to 8 kilograms. It was diagnosed by doctor that she had severe preeclampsia and gave birth at 33 weeks of gestation with spontaneous and premature birth. However, after she gave birth, she was not free from preeclampsia because his sore could occur if not controlled, and she was still prescribed drug for high blood pressure and still had to maintain a lifestyle and diet. He immediately lost 18 kilograms in a week. In the first pregnancy, it feels like 3 is a lot of after in the body with all them marked on the legs. After childbirth, blood pressure returns to normal and swollen feet have decreased. In the second pregnancy, preeclampsia can occur if the first pregnancy has been exposed to a preeclampsia. But in this second pregnancy, he told me that he often ate fruits and vegetables. He always kept his diet so as not to overdo it. During this second pregnancy, she has no expensive swelling as in the first pregnancy, and her blood pressure was normal. But when you enter the age of 8 to 9 months of pregnancy, blood pressure begins to rise. It was the same as in the first pregnancy, but she didn't feel the increase in blood pressure. It didn't lead to preeclampsia anymore, but more to gestational diabetes because in the second pregnancy she ate more sweet food, and after being checked the fetus was already big with weight gain. Rapid body at the age of 9 months of pregnancy within a week can go up 400 grams. At 35 weeks of gestation, she was indicated for a premature pregnancy. After being checked through CTG, and she was immediately started with pulmonary injection in the fetus. Learning from her first pregnancy, entering the age of 36 weeks, He actually felt that his stomach was getting together and stronger and always wanted to urination every hour. At the age of gestation, 36 weeks and 5 days, the membranes broke, and after checking for high blood pressure 130 per 100, and also checking the urine lab with a positive result of the protein, and I was already exposed to preeclampsia again before delivery. She gave birth to her second child by cesarean. From all her experience during the first and second pregnancy, there is actually no specific reason why she can have a high risk of pregnancy, namely preeclampsia, because it is a family hereditary factor. Well, then I will tell you how to overcome the onset of preeclampsia in pregnancy. There are several things you can do in this case, namely 1. Reduce added salt in the food. Number 2. Avoid eating fried foods. 3. Increase the consumption of water by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. 4. Get no rest. 5. Exercise regularly. And 6. Avoiding complication of alcoholic drink and caffeine. Baiklah, mungkin itu saja video dari saya tentang video tips kehamilan. Jika ada yang salah atau yang kurang, saya mohon maaf. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.